Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Chat number 1, your go-to channel for the latest and most detailed tech reviews. Today, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the newly launched Vivo Y200 Plus. This device comes packed with some really interesting features, so stick around for a full breakdown of its specifications and performance. Let's dive in. Starting with the build and design, the Vivo Y200 Plus offers a glass front, a plastic frame, and a plastic back, giving it a durable yet lightweight feel. It has dimensions of 165.7 by 76 by 8 millimeters and weighs 199 grams. What's great is that this phone comes with an IP64 rating, making it resistant to dust and splashes. You can choose from 3 color options: dark gray, green, and apricot. Now let's talk about the display. The Vivo Y200 Plus features a 6.68-inch IPS LCD panel. It offers a smooth viewing experience. The display is also quite bright, with a peak brightness of 1000 nits, HBM, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is perfect for scrolling and gaming. Moving on to security, the phone comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Battery life is another standout feature of the Vivo Y200 Plus. It packs a massive 6000 mAh battery, ensuring you get all-day battery life with ease. And when it's time to charge, the 44-watt fast charging support. Under the hood, the Vivo Y200 Plus runs on Android 14 with Origin OS 4. This ensures a smooth and customizable user experience. Powering the device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset built on a 4nm process. Now let's take a look at the cameras. On the back, we have a dual camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor with an f1.8 aperture, a 2-megapixel depth sensor with an f2.4 aperture. For videos, the rear camera supports 1080p recording at 30 fps. On the front, you get a 5-megapixel wide-angle camera with an f2.2 aperture. It's also capable of shooting 1080p videos at 30 fps. The Vivo Y200 Plus offers multiple storage and RAM configurations: 256GB with 8GB of RAM, 256GB with 12GB of RAM, and a top-tier 512GB with 12GB of RAM. Unfortunately, there's no option for expandable storage, but the built-in storage should be enough for most users. In terms of connectivity, it supports 5G, USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG support, a 3.5mm headphone jack. However, it lacks NFC, which might be a downside for some users. That's it for today's review. What are your thoughts on the Vivo Y200 Plus? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Technical Chat number 1, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.